my next video, I'd like to do one on what's called connectivity labs for your Wi-Fi. And what it is, in essence, it's a hidden group of commands, status, data, tools for your Wi-Fi. But again, it's in labs, so it's hidden. So unless you unlock it, you can't get to it. So I'm going to show you how to unlock it, and then we'll also go over some of the settings and information on it. So I'm using the Samsung S25 Ultra One UI 8.4 or 8.4 beta, 4th beta. But I know this has been around since One UI 7 because I remember finding it then. So let's dig right in, as I say, as we'll get right into it. So go into your settings, go into connections, go to Wi-Fi, tap on the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. Well, I guess you don't tap on it, but you can go to the upper right corner, and go into Intelligent Wi-Fi. Scroll all the way at the bottom, and you'll see my Connectivity Labs is already there. But for those that haven't done it, to get to it, you tap on Intelligent Wi-Fi a number of times until Connectivity Labs pops up. So again, it's a hidden feature. It's not there until you tap that, and then Connectivity Labs underneath of that will come on. So this feature is for internal test purposes. It does not guarantee stability. So we go ahead and tap on that, and now we're going to get into all kinds of neat settings and information. So here's my internet usage, which, yeah, it's been on all day. So I have it on 19 hours, 11 minutes daily average, used 4 hours less than yesterday. Here's my weekly report. Here's my usage in gigabytes. Then the days are at the bottom, of course, and you can see which days you've used. You can see what you've RX, which is received. You can see TX, which is what you transmitted, and that's for today. You have your bands, 2.45, and I don't have a 6 or multi-link, so there's nothing there. Standard Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 5. I don't have a 6 or 7. We'll skip this unused saved network is nothing really. Home Wi-Fi Inspector is neat. You could go ahead, let's check your home Wi-Fi. We'll check your Wi-Fi configuration and advise better home Wi-Fi setup. So we'll hit start, and then I'm using that one, and it'll tell me my band, it'll tell me my decibel interference. Hit next, set a stronger security setting. We'll hit next. And yeah, I'm going to have to change my password and everything after I finish this, but that's okay. It's just showing you how to do this. So if you're ready, press start button and walk around your home with your device to check weak signal areas. So you can actually move. I'm stationary right now, but you can actually move and you'll get different signals. And then that way you know where to be in your house at the best spot, or if you want to put a booster, which I have a booster in mine. So it makes a big difference on that. And then it says hit done to finish investigation. No weak signal area. Excellent. There's no weak signal area in your home. Exit. Then we have a bunch of settings here, toggles. Auto reconnect to carrier Wi-Fi. Some of these I don't know. Wi-Fi 7 mode, that's a different Wi-Fi. I suggest turning that off. It's going to save your battery. So instead of it looking for Wi-Fi 7, you have that turned off and it's not going to look for it. If you don't have it, obviously you don't need it on because you're not going to find it anyway. So I have it turned off. Switching to mobile data faster. I guess I could have put that on, but intelligent Wi-Fi handover. Switching to mobile data with AI. Show network quality. This is a neat one. Show network quality info. and the list of available Wi-Fi networks, enhanced Wi-Fi compatibility, Wi-Fi developer, or reset all labs. So it's really a pretty neat tool that you can use for checking on your internet, checking to see if you have the best usage and the best location for your internet. You know, like when we were doing the home, right here, the home Wi-Fi inspection, if we would have did that and it would have had weak spots and whatever, you might want to think about moving your router or stuff like that. So it's really comes in handy as a tool to check your Wi-Fi. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.